Something about me ambition. Keep me on the money mission. Believe na me dreams, me believe na the vision. And when me 30 mil me fi sit down. Not just me ambition. Ambition. Keep me on the money mission. Something about me ambition. Ambition. Yo, hustle every day, me no waste time.
Hey my natural beauties, what's up? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this really quick hairstyle, something definitely targeting summer, just double braids. You guys have seen me do this hairstyle before, but I just wanted to try it in blonde. So it's going to be a very quick video. I'm going to jump right in. The first thing I'm going to do is moisturize my hair with this Ashanti shea butter, right? It's the creamy kind, so it's very creamy. It's very thick. I'm going to use this to moisturize because since coloring my hair has been very dry, and I'm basically doing like 2 braids, so it's going to be parted down the middle but in like a slanted way. You can do it whichever way you'd like. This part isn't even perfect, but I'm basically showing you guys what direction I'm going to be braiding in. This is what the part looks like. It's not straight, it's just kind of like freestyle, like it no structure whatsoever, but it's a lazy day hairstyle, so it's not supposed to be perfect. I'm going in with my Ocean hair wax, my favorite hair wax to use. I'm going to put it around the perimeter of each braid, and you guys know this is going to keep it very slick and neat, or in this case as neat as possible. For today's hairstyle, I'm going to be using what else? Nothing, just the regular yaman that I normally use, but this one is in color number 30, and this is what it looks like, and it kind of matches my hair at the moment, so yeah, that's why I'm using this one. And I think in total I used 1 pack of hair if I'm not mistaken, so yeah. I'm just going to start braiding going that way, and the other braid is going to be going that way. So I'm just showing you guys the direction of the braids, and you can just pretty much customize this, make it your own, however you're comfortable doing it. So I started braiding, and then 2 inches in I started adding hair. Now this is totally up to you depending on how thick you want the braids to be, but I just wanted them. It wasn't anything like perfect, guys, so I just freestyled this entire thing. I just really needed to do something with my hair at the time. So 2 inches in, I'm gonna start adding 1 lock of hair. Then when I get close to the middle, I'm going to be adding 2 locks of hair, and etc, okay. Guys, let me take this opportunity. If you guys have not followed me on my socials as yet, just go ahead and follow me. I'd really appreciate it. I'm NaturallyMsToya on everything: Snapchat, Facebook, and Instagram, and also Twitter. So just go ahead and give me a follow to keep up with me on the daily. So once I get to the back of the braid, I'm gonna start braiding down, being careful to avoid any bumps in the hair, and you have to smooth it out properly for it to be an okay enough braid to pass. And you're just gonna braid all the way down to the ends, just like I normally do. You guys are gonna come up on little pieces of hair that stick out. All you're gonna do is just trim those off. So I'm just doing the same thing on the other side, starting that braid in the middle, kind of curving outwards, and just braid all the way down to the end. This is like the easiest hairstyle ever ever, and it will forever be my go-to hairstyle when I really don't know what to do because it's extremely cute. So as I said, I'm just trimming off these flyaway hairs so that the braid looks more smooth. Once I'm done doing that, I left 2 pieces of hair out. I'm just going to curl those, and I'm going to be using my Eco Styler, the black castor oil one, and I'm going to kind of use it to make some finger coils, and then I'm going to twist the coils together. I don't know, whatever works for you guys. I just wanted it to be curly and drop, you know, and just look like one big curl like falling down. So I coiled it first, and then I twisted it a little bit and coiled it again, and that's what I got. And that's what I wanted. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And this is a good way to protect your edges, guys. So I'm going to mousse the braids just a little bit, not too much. This is just going to help it to stay neater a little longer. And the wind was fighting me outside this day, guys, and it was really good because it helped my mousse to dry faster. So that's a plus. So now I'm going to accessorize by adding these cute little gems that I got from this beauty supply store. You guys can add whatever you want, but I just thought it would really add to the vibe. So I'm just placing them all over, spreading them out, trying not to make it look too much, but at the same time, like, you know, have a little buzz. My favorite is the one that went like closer to the front with the Rasta accessories, because you guys can tell that was the whole vibe of this look. So this one that went right to the front right here is my favorite. It dangles down and just has those cute little beads on it. Oh wait, lies. This one. Yeah, this one, guys. You can see how cute that is. Yeah. So now I'm just laying my edges a little bit. And y'all know, no hairstyle for me is complete unless I do this step. So there you go. And with my hair being blonde, it's kind of harder to see like my baby hairs, but yeah, you guys get the point. And to finish it off, I'm just going to be spraying some oil sheen all over my braids, and that's it. So there's a finished look, guys. Completely easy, so simple. It's like a 10-minute hairstyle, so it's perfect for summer if you guys want to try it out. Thanks guys so much for watching this video. Please, if you have not already hit that subscribe button, show your girl some love and hit that subscribe button. Drop me a comment, you know, tell me what you guys think about this hairstyle. Thanks guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.